Alright.
Ikaw na intro.
Ako doon. Nakaon na eh. Kunin sa search.
Yan na lang ako. Kasi matagap. Wala na.
Okay na. Dira ko dol.
Our second game for tonight, CM Farm versus ITT Basketball. Our official referee from SVP is Vicky Tago sa mga basketball ng Pilipinas.
Dira ako sa imong likod. Dili na pwede no kay maigo no.
Mr. Yao, Mr. Jalil.
Asa ko dapat diri ah. Diri na lang mo. Check. Check. Yo, what up? Ano official here mga choy. Maayong gabi sa inyo. Ang tanan, we are live now. CM Farm Basketball and Court Vision. Maayong gabi Nakatakaroon diri asa sa Wala, Davao del Norte. Aray sa ulog ang first Team Double D Basketball Tournament Open Invitational. Second game, CM Farm versus IKKT. So, sa wala pa nakashare sa tuwang live, shout out 1,600 live viewers. Shout out sa inyohan tanan diha sa mga live viewers. Okay, only shout out ta diri ha. Sa ma-shout out lang. Shout out sa 1.7 live viewers. So sa mga wala pa nakapollow, follow na mo para ma-update mo sa ito ang mga kung maabot na mga liga. So syempre, Monmon Official, sa mga wala pa nakafollow, Monmon Official, i-check lang ninyo para ma-update mo sa ato ang mga video. Syempre, gusto lang po na ako i-shout out ang palangga na nag-watch karon. Ang ako ang future attorney. Maayong gabi, Ma'am Zeb de la Torre. Kain ka na. Shoutout kay John Patrick Hermosilia. Shoutout kay Honey Gray. Shoutout kay Ayan. Shoutout kay Marquez. Shoutout kay Glendon John. Shoutout kay Stephen Curry. Shoutout kay Octeza. Shoutout kay Norbert. Shoutout kay Ayan Dumanig from Bermudez. Ayaw na ko gi-appeal kay Masilip tadri sa Gedli. Shoutout kay Kyrie Canalizo Diozo. Shoutout Adrian Montes Guerrero. Shoutout kay Brian Aguilon. Shoutout sa inyong tanan. Siyempre 1.9k live viewers. Shoutout kay Mangkaus. Salamat. Okay, mag-start na. Check. Isbiri igang kay Dria sa tuang side ha. So maayong gabi sa mga taga Sawata diri mga tanaw sa live.
Mendito for number 28, Zachary Cabajo, and guard number 10, the Energizer, ang angas na Real, all the way from Puerto Pampanga, Jemar Bragaez.
Yun! Pinalakpakan po dito si Jemar Bragaez, ang ating crowd favorite. Hi! Siyempre nandito rin first five, Mingito, JB Mantilla, Tancho Buanciso, and John Coy Cabajo, Mr. Pretty Tit Pit Senior. And also IKKT, Katarong, Arsena, Doydoy Baldomero from Tagum City, Barangay Magdom, shoutout. Sino pa? So Baser from Davao de Oro.
And guard jersey number 15.
First Team Double D Basketball Tournament Open Invitational. Second game, CM Farm versus IKKT. Jump 1.
Let the second game begin. It's
Ika. Tansyong Bungan Siso ang maghaharap versus Arsena.
Personal possession, Ian Barnes.
JB Mantilia, cross pass. Janmar Bragaes. Vincent Minguito, sobra. Doy Baldomero controlling. Pass to Chris Catarong, driving to the basket. Block by Minguito. To John Coy Cabahog. Nagmamalali sa buhay. Out of bounds. Shout out to Jundel Navarro. Shout out to Mang Tabor. 2.4K viewers. Janmar Bragaes inbounding the ball. Pass to John Coy Cabahog. To JB Mantilia. Janmar Bragaes from way downtown. 1, 2, 3. Alcaraz. Steal by Janmar. Gusto pang isalampak ni Janmar Bragaes. Alcaraz. Guarded by JB. Check by JB Mantilia. 1,000cc. The ex-chairman. 6-0 run ang ginawa dito. Hindi ka namang ma-steal. Doy Baldomero. Basir. Pass to Chris Catarong. Cross pass to Alcaraz sa labas. Bang!
Pamatay sulog. 7 against 3.
Remaining time last 8 minutes and 40 seconds for the first quarter. Jamie Mantilia. Pass to Janmar Bragaes. John Coy Cabahog, wala. Rebound, Tansyong Bungan Siso. Cabahog, wala. Chris Catarong driving to the basket. Ibinumba pa ni Catarong. JB. Vincent Minguito to Tansyong Bungan Siso. John Coy Cabahog, wala pa rin. Out of bounds, same ball. Remaining time last 8 minutes and 3 seconds. Score 5-7 in favor of CM Farm.
Cancel na ba? Cancel. Shot clock, 13 seconds. 13 seconds to shoot.
Tansyong Bungan Siso. Steal by Catarong. Pass to Arsena. Back to Catarong. Extra pass to Alcaraz. 2 points.
7 against 5. Operation Deadlock 7.
JB Mantilia. Pass to Janmar Bragaes. Back to JB. Vincent Minguito from the parking lot. Wala. Pati ka ng rebound. Bonggan Siso. Get the basket. May kasama bang foul yan?
Foul jersey number 15. Illegal contact to the hands. Mr.
Shout out Raymond Solidad. Shout out kay Jan Coquilla. Shout out kay Leslie Cabatuan. Shout out kay Etsme Jeremy. Shout out kay Darrell Lumbingco. Shout out kay Zeldron Ranis Likayan. Shout out kay Mark. Shout out kay Riniel. Shout out kay tanan. Chris Catarong, stop and pop. Wala. Bazer.
Ball out of bounds. Deflected to the boat. Shot clock 15 seconds.
15 seconds to shoot. Baldomero inbounding the ball. Pass to Bazer sa ilalim. Labas muna kay Doy. Baldomero for 3. Vincent Minguito. Pass to JB. To Janmar Bragaes. Cross pass. Bahog. Labas kay Janmar Bragaes. Bragaes for 3. Chris Catarong. Bounce pass to Arsena. To Doy Baldomero.
Ball out of bounds. Same ball. Shot clock 12 seconds. 12 seconds to shoot. Inline down.
Baldomero inbounding the ball. Pass to Alcaraz.
Backspin shoot.
Long two. No good. Rebound JB, may foul.
For the foul. Jersey number 3, holding foul. Baldomero.
First personal foul, Baldomero. JB Mantioya, pass to Vincent Mingito sa ilalim. John Coy Cabahog, may foul.
Mr. President Cabahog, foul jersey number 16.
Shout out from Car Air. Air, gusto mo ni pagbasa? Air Suwa. Shout out Pisigo niya. Hoy! Ingat mo sa Pisigo. Shout out kay Eric. Shout out daw kay Charles Dave. Shout out kay Phil John. One point, John Ford. Baldomero. Aras by JB. Baldomero. Pass to Alcaraz. Tungatarong. 4-3. Wala. Rebound Bazer. Pass to Baldomero. Long. 2 points. Pasa pala yun kay Katarong. Walang gustong magpaiwan. 12-15. Remaining time, last 5 minutes and 52. John Coy Cabahog, Mr. Pretty Titbit Senior.
17-12.
Doy Baldomero from way downtown. Jenmar Bragaez, nagmamadali sa buhay. Gustong lumipad si Jenmar Bragaez. And Arsena, pass to Bazer. Ibinomba pa.
There's the foul. Jersey number 11, JB Mantioya.
Shout out kay John Reed Tubia. Shout out kay Villia Floyd, John Dave, Chan. Shout out.
Jersey number 19.
Shout out kay JR. Ano eh? JR friend Hamisula.
The newly appointed
Ay, sorry.
player, Mr. Esteban.
Okay, pasok na dito si Chavez.
Another substitution. The manager.
Out muna si Vincent Mingito. Bunbulak.
First free throw,
1 point Bazer. Shout out kay John Ritobia. Shout out kay Art Emmanuel Cabarubias. Shout out kay Mang Tabor. Shout out kay John Rich. Shout out kay Chan.
19-13. 5 minutes and 17.
JB Mantioya. Pass to Bunbulak. Kay Chavez. Kicks it out. Jenmar Bragaez. Cross pass to Bunbulak. Fake. Extra pass to JB Mantioya. Chris Catarong to Bazer. Doy Baldomero. 15 seconds to shoot. Arsena. What a nice pass galing kay Arsena. Easy basket na doon si Bazer.
15 against 22.
JB. Pass to Jenmar Bragaez. Back to JB. Again. JB wala. Rebound. Cabahog. Cabahog wala. Catarong. Steal by John Coy Cabahog. Kay Chavez. Jenmar Bragaez. Foul.
There's always going to foul jersey number 13. Tying out IKKT basketball.
Time out. IKKT basketball. Shout out kay Bijin
Second personal foul.
De La Serna. Shout out kay Rendel. Shout out kay London Sano. Shout out kay Giancarlo Antonio Santos. Shout out sa 3,900 viewers. Shoutout kay Raymond Supilana, shoutout kay Darrell Palana, shoutout kay Dennis, shoutout kay Ivan. Shoutout sa 4,000 live viewers sa CM Farm.
Basketball game, time of the timeout. Shot clock 18 seconds.
Jenmar Braga is inbounding the ball. Pass to Chavez.
It's home. Player out of bounds for number.
Morado, pumasok na. Chris Catarong, pass to Morado.
Morado.
Guarded by Jenmar Bragaes. Morado. What a pass to Chris Catarong. Gandang pasa galing kay J. Mords. Kobe Palencia. Jenmar Bragaes. Kobe.
Official timeout. Dito naman.
Okay. Shoutout kay Marv, Ivan, Lacadin. Shoutout kay Don Don. Wala si Eliar. Shoutout kay Damiano Helvero. Shoutout kay Nathan Clerk Clapide. Shoutout kay Brandon Cañeda. Shoutout kay Miljon Pandian. Shoutout sa 3,500 live viewers sa Court Vision. Shoutout kay James, shoutout kay Kenneth, shoutout kay Chris, shoutout kay John Carlo, shoutout kay Mac Dance, shoutout kay John Michael Caballo, shoutout kay Jude Kevin, shoutout kay Phil John.
We're back. We go one up on one.
21 na 22. 21. Oh.
Okay,
Shot clock 14 seconds.
back to the ball game. Kobe. Pass to Jenmar Bragaes. Chavez, 2 points. First basket po ni Chavez dito sa CM Farm. Welcome sa CM Farm. Elmer Chavez. Catarong. Pass to J. Mords. Pull up J. No good. What a nice backs out by Bon Bulak. To Jenmar Bragaes. Behind the back. Cross. Behind the back. Pass to Chavez. Labas muna kay Bulak from downtown. Bon Mijos Bulak. Ang layo nun. Casanillo. To J. Mords. To Chris Catarong. Catarong driving. What a nice defense by Chavez. Pero may foul. Di makapaniwala. Foul wearing jersey number 6. Illegal hit to the arm. Holding foul, sorry. Holding foul by Chavez.
Sidelining down. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Check. G-Boy Paitan inbounding the ball. Pass to Chris Catarong.
Against Isha Ball.
Catarong.
Shot clock 10.
Basang-basa yan ni Chavez. Nagmamadali sa buhay. To Bon Mijos Bulak. May foul.
Versus the blue, now jersey number 27.
Gandang depensa ni Chavez dito.
Number 27, Samaya, first person about 13 down. To Rito, the manager, Bulbula. Yes,
1 point. Shoutout kay Jayan Carlo Camaso. Shoutout kay Paul. Basta na mo yung mga business diya. Pwede niyo pa-shoutout ha. Ibutang lang sa comment section. Kaya mabasa na to na. Pero kung gusto mo special nga promote, i-PM lang ninyo si Monmon Official. Magsabot lang ta. Pero gusto lang ka magpa-shoutout sa imuhang business, ibutang lang sa comment section. Pero gusto ka extra nga promote. Nga, wala pa ka na maligya na halina na ka. G-Boy Paitan, guarded by Bragaes. Check! Ayan na! Chavez! Gusto isa lang pa! 2 points! Chavez! J. Mords. Sumayang! Casanillo! Sobra yan! Casanillo rebound! Rebound Chavez! What a nice effort by Chavez! Bon Bulak. Pass to Jenmar Bragaes. Balik kay Bunbulak. Umatras ba yan? Wala. Sabi ka ng rebound. Buzzer. Pass to G-Mords. Morada. To sumayang. Si Boy. Sumayang. Bulak. Jenmar Bragaes. Sa corner. No good. Wala na pong 2 minuto. Muntik nang ma-check ni Kobe yan. J-Mords. Boys, paitan. Napa-time out ang CM Farm doon. Score 21-30. Remaining time last 1 minute and 32 seconds. Shout out.
21 against 30. 4-0 over the top by
Shout out sa Sawata Hub sa flash last day na nilaron sa Sawata. Shout out guys sa Fiona Junk Shop, location Lopez, Matiaw, Mati City. Oh. Shout out kay Christian Bahagi. Anong wala may Gcash gibutang ni mo diri Lods? Dapat na kay gibutang Gcash number. Shout out sa ato ang umaabot na konsihal diha at sa Carmen, Davao del Norte. Sa mga taga Carmen diha ayaw kalimti ha. Christian Bahagi, number 1 na ninyo sa inyong baluta. Di ni pangampanya. Tabang ni. Ay, salamat sa naghatag og star ng Pasko. Shoutout kay Jamil from Cebu, Sibuli. Christian Bahagi ha, sa mga taga Carmen, Davao del Norte. Ayaw ninyo kalimti. Karong umaabot. Ay. Kobe. Valencia bumitaw. Wala. J-Mords, inside outside. Morado guarded by Bon Mios Bulak. 14 seconds to shoot. J-Mords cross. Basang-basa yan ni Jimmy Harris. Shoutout all watching from Consolacion, Cebu. Ano din mo i-promote ang homemade customized furniture tagom. Homemade customized furniture tagom o langita kag nindot nga mga aparador, bangko, lamisa o guban pa. PM na sa homemade customized furniture tagom. Ano? Ginanon lang. Siyempre, shoutout Madam Cia Maliones.
31-21, 10-point ball game. Second teacher.
Thank you ha sa homemade customized furniture tagom sa paghatag og shoebox. Pero wala pa na ako nakuha kay wa pa man ko'y sapatos. Isa pa man akong sapatos. Kung saan na to pag-promote ani nga, isa pa man na to mabutang. Dapat mapuno tog shoebox. Mapuno tog sapatos ang
Now after the shot, jersey number 14.
ay mo gawa ha. I-share ninyo ni nga live. Sige tag bugal-bugal aning comment section.
From first person of
Kanang inyong mga star,
to the team, CM Farm.
itukon ko na.
1 minute and 6. Oh, ball out.
What a nice pass
Over.
to Kapitan.
Communication. Seconds to play. Oh, top 14 down.
Shout out Darin Espanto. Lami kay gidula si Darin Espanto ha.
59 seconds.
Jintoy Mijares, pumasok na pala dito si Jintoy Mijares. Seconds to play, 55 seconds. Bon Mijos Bulak again! Walang kupas yan from the parking lot. Bon Mijos Bulak.
44 seconds.
Jibuyin Paitan, former captain ball ng UM Tagum. Pass to Bazer.
Bazaar, close up.
Guarded by AJ Agbong. May foul yan. Wala na sa tamang posisyon si Bon Mijos Bulak.
Jersey number 9, ang 19.
Shoutout kay Kenneth, shoutout kay JJ, shoutout kay Eric, shoutout kay Jake, shoutout kay Piljon. Ganina naka Piljon na. Shoutout sa to 3,800 live viewers. Siyempre, maayong gabi eh. Madam Bergie Aliones and Boss Mario Bantilan. Na sila karon diri nagtanaw. At saka ang wakwak ng Tagum nandito rin tumitingin sa akin. Gustong magpa-shoutout si Abayon. Ano? Nagpapasikat kanina. Last 23 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
14 seconds. 5 seconds differential between Belgium and South Africa.
Kobe
Ooh.
kicks it out. Sayang yon.
9 seconds.
Fast break to J. Mords.
Oh, wala na goal.
Foul ang itinawag.
Pushing foul, jersey number
Di makapaniwala si Jintoy Mijares.
13. Juntoy Mijares. Remaining time 3 seconds. Juntoy Mijares first personal foul.
Jake, ay pag-comment o gingana, Jake, kay dagag makabasa. Anong saging naman ang imuhang pampa? Ba ni mo, Jake. Last 3 seconds na lang na. 3.7 seconds remaining.
There's a little goal.
Shoutout kay Boy, Bun, ay pag-comment o gingana, Bun, dagag makabasa.
The first quarter.
Shoutout kay Escobar, Daryl Escobar, shoutout kay Jude Tadios Hope, Rosiana. Grabe. Oh, namutong natanin niyo, kanus aman. G-Wex Paitan, shoutout Idol. Exo mo na kawan. G-Boy. Bon Gerard, ay sig gara-gara dia. Ace Suezo, Adelmo Aconia, shoutout. Shoutout no, Kristen Fruit Stand, La Pilipina. Hoy, magaan ko na mo.
Each second personal foul. Remaining time 3.7 seconds. 3 for Bashir.
Ayan na! Ayan na. And on the first quarter, it's scored 26-35. Abante po sa 7 na punto sa kalamangan ng CM Farm.
CM Farm. This hour of Sawata Open Commercial Basketball League would like to thank the sponsors. Congressman Ricardo Oyuoy, Governor
Sa kuhan dyan ni Dula si Abayon sa J Project. Miki Dia, shoutout kay Jonel Howard regards daw mon. Shotgun. Ano sa shotgun? Disgrasya Jod, Miki Di. Disgrasya Jod. Wa Jod kabunal ang bihag. Alexandre Himungala, shoutout. Hoy, ba ni mo rin Alexandre ha. Jamel Chan Chris Mon Alixibo di ay daghan diri. Shout out ko ani Mon Kent Jasper Laluces ang pagbabalik niya sa New Bohol. Ronan Valdez, shout out. Ken Ligani, walag lagi ka diri ah. AKC Farm, shout out everyone. Shout out Agastanan Jobert, shout out kay Lemuel. Wa lagi. Shout out kay Arnel Molina. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo, bossing idol. Disgrasya John.
All players, proper answer. Record that back to players. Record that out. All the players. On the second quarter, ITV basketball.
Aka din si Sanjo. Tuwag Bohol ng harbis og kakao. Back to the ball game for the second quarter. Score 26-35 in favor of CM Farm. Katarong. Pass to J. Mords. Cross. Masakay ka sa Nilio sa labas. Wala. Rebound. Kobe Valencia. Kobe. Bubon Bulak. Pangatlong pagkakataon. 9 points in the ball game. Bon Mios Bulak.
The manager sniper, tatlong press na yan.
Alcaraz.
Baseline.
May foul. Wala sa tamang posisyon yan.
Jersey number 19, Bon Bulak, push down. Bulak second personal foul, first of the team. CM Barr. Shot clock 15 seconds.
Kabunal ang banugan, Migidi.
Inbound.
Anina feeding away. No good.
Kobe Valencia.
Kobe.
Valencia.
What a nice pass to Tony Suway Baguio. Get the basket and one.
Basket na sa
Gandang pasa. Galing kay Kobe Valencia.
jersey number 11. Albert collection that goes to Baguio.
Burns Daguhoy sa Balya. Shoutout from Cebu City. Boss.
Dahil agad na ito madaling sa top score kay Ibo Roman. Bola na three ball.
Ano si Junil?
19 seconds.
Basta balik-balik ang mga pangalan kay Shooter, Bunbun, ug Munmun. Yes, boss.
Against Suway Baguio. Isolation.
Gikoking na po mo, Coach.
Seconds.
Alcaraz.
Alcaraz. 10 to shoot. Baseline.
May foul.
May sumabit. Foul jersey number 8. Suway Baguio pushing foul. Suway Baguio first personal foul. Second of the team.
Yeah, mo na official score. 41.
Dugay lang mo
Two free throws. Number 16, Alcaraz. First free throw 1 point. Basket substitution. Substitution. 2 for 2 for Alcaraz.
Boss.
Papas Manresa for Bunbulan. Official running score 41-28, 13-point ball game. CM Barr, 8 minutes and 40
Kobe Valencia.
Kobe Valencia to Jasper Cabajo. To Papartman.
Howard Manresa.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Pass to Jintoy Mijares. Driving, sidestep. Takes it out.
Cabajo, 5 to shoot.
What a nice pass. John Boy Cabahog to Papart Manresa.
Manresa. Nagpakilala ka agad.
Aninaw.
Number 7, Pink.
Pass to Katarong.
Kataro on
Driving.
the right.
May foul.
Sumabit.
Shoutout ka mo ako sa Magdumon. Joseph Padaw. Punto. Bawi next season. Pero championship man sad sa XFM. Oh, good luck, coach. Lloyd Lawas, makinano ikaw gitagit kag 12 ba nakabuk imong number, marama po ikaw. 44 tama na.
43.
Ha? 40.
Second free throw, Kataro. Yes, 1 point. Free throw. Once again, we're live.
LG Aquino, pinasok na dito. Last 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Papart Manresa.
Manresa.
Pass to LJ. Bumitaw agad.
Malakas. Offensive rebound.
Rebound, Jintoy Mijares.
Shot clock 10.
10 seconds to shoot.
Corner three.
Jin Mijares for 3.
Victory Mijares. Right. 46-20.
Chris Katarong.
Chris Kataro.
Guarded by Tony Suway Baguio. Pass to Aninaw.
Aninaw.
15 seconds to shoot.
12 seconds.
To Alcaraz.
Alcaraz.
10 seconds remaining. Fading away. Alcaraz 2 points.
Remaining time, 7 minutes.
Papart Manresa. Pass to LG Aquino. To John Coy Cabahog. Pasa kay Tony Suway Baguio. Basket and one. Tonton Suway Baguio.
Foul jersey number.
Shoutout mo kay Chino. Hoy! Hapit pa na ako makuha na. Pumasa ha. Mikhail Avon. Bastos ka ha. Kent Bryan, shoutout. Shoutout kay Riniel Bautista.
Baser for Atasana.
Shoutout kay Cassie from Lagundi Uslob, Cebu.
Bonus window jersey number 8, Suway Baguio.
Badjong Castro, Alcaraz ang bagtik sa Trento.
Minutes and 45, second quarter. Rebound attack.
Aninaw. Pass to Baser. Reverse pa yan, pero kulang. Kabahog.
Holding the play.
Cross pass to Jimmy Harris. Wala.
Rebound number 7, Aninaw. Pushing the tempo.
Aninaw. Pass to Alcaraz. Guarded by Papart Manresa. Driving. Steal by Aquino. Ipinasa pa kay Aninaw.
Lopez, Cabahog, the back.
Out of bounds.
Out of bounds, Sigmo. Shot clock 18 seconds. 31-48. Remaining 6 minutes.
Concert sa Silian.
Brega is back.
Hilyar, nag-concert ka ba ng Kalumadban? Papart Manresa, yung bounding na ball pass to Tony Suway Baguio. Sa ilalim. Wajong.
3 against 3. Oh. There's one for the bell. Extended. Jersey number 28, John Cortez.
Blocking foul. At pushing foul.
Substitution. Shikarabe for Suway Baguio. Cabao first personal foul. Warning for D-Bag. CM Barn. Shot clock 17 seconds.
Chris Catarong.
Chris Cadaro.
15 seconds to shoot.
14 seconds. Getting it back. Cadaro.
Catarong to Wajong.
Waja. Boa.
Wala. Rebound.
Rebound to El Giacchino.
LG Aquino. Pass to Jenmar Bragaez.
Ball out of bounds. Turnover.
Malakasti.
5 minutes and 29. ITV basketball.
Wajong. Hindi kang maagaw.
Ball out of bounds.
Gandang depensa, Jenmar Bragaez.
Depensa ni Bragaez, the Energizer. The Beast 2.0.
Aquino.
Shot clock 10
Screen by
seconds.
Shikalabi. Pass to John Coy Cabahog. Papart Manresa.
5 to shoot.
5 seconds to shoot.
2.
John Coy Cabahog running shot, 2 points.
Cabajo. And now,
Aninaw.
shot clock.
Pass to Chris Catarong. Out of bounds.
Ball out of bounds. Stay low. 12 seconds to shoot. Time out.
Sign out. ITT.
Basketball.
Score 31-50. Remaining time last 4 minutes and 55 seconds for the second quarter. Okay na, Nick? Okay na, okay na. Check. Lobat.
Oh, 0-2 for Shikalale. And he's from this. 35-52.
Aninaw. Guarded by Aquino. Mazer. Foul na naman dito. Si John Coy Cabao.
28 holding foul. John Coy Cabao, team penalty. John Coy Cabao, second personal foul, team penalty, seal card. In the line, chanting to jersey number 19, Bashir. Yes, 1 point.
1 point, Mazer.
36-52.
IBJ Cubs, kantilan. Ganun, tarungon man ako. Ako pa rin nagdula.
Second free throw. Yes, 2-2 for Bashir.
LG Aquino, pass. Robert Manresa. Si Calabi. 10 seconds to shoot. Aquino. Pass to Papat Manresa. Wala. John Coy Cabahog, may foul. Yan. May iniinda po dito si John Coy Cabahog sa kanang kamay.
Warning 14 penalty, IPTT Densmore. Shot clock 14 seconds.
John Marbragaes. Pass to John Coy Cabahog, Papat Manresa. Bounce pass to John Coy. Cross pass. Extra pass to LG Aquino. Wala.
Oh, pass rate.
Huajong. Easy basket by Huajong.
Timeout, Seaman Park. Official running score, 52-39. 13-point ball game, 2 minutes and 48.
Running time last 2 minutes and 48 seconds for the second quarter. Score. Pila running score. 39-52.
39-52.
37 pa na dudulod eh.
Putol. 49.
Ah, okay.
Wait man.
Shout out na kay Binay Tawanan. Ayaw na kalimot. Mautog buong. Tawanan eh. Uy, sinabaw na dog food.
Basketball game remaining 19 minutes and 48 for the second quarter. 52-39, 13-point ball game.
LG Aquino controlling the ball. Pass to Chavez. Chavez takes it out. John Coy Cabahog. Chris Catarong. Nagmamadali sa buhay. Side step. 2 points. Chris Catarong.
The reaching ball, Chris Cabao.
Score 41-52. Ponce ang inahabol. Papat Manresa. Pass to John Coy Cabahog.
Cabao against Cabao. Shot clock 8 seconds.
Chavez. Wala.
Chavez missed. 2 minutes.
Huajong. Bazer. Aninaw. Cross pass to Catarong. Driving to the basket. Nabitawan pa yan. Bazer. What a nice defense by Chavez. Jan Marbragaes. Ayan na naman. Take off. Jan Marbragaes. Lumipad. Galing Porac, Pampanga. Inilipat pa yan sa kaliwa. Bazer for 3.
Basel. Big ball na magpila sa labas. 1 minute and 17. 44-54 Sampo.
Aquino, pass to Chavez. To John Goy Cabahog. Cross pass to Aquino. 4-3. Wala pa rin. Chavez, what a nice effort. Beat back by Chavez.
Seconds to play. 55 seconds.
Last 55 seconds, Baser.
Again, si Chavez. Shot clock 12 seconds.
Aninaw, 5-4-3, wala. May foul.
Foul, jersey number 15. This is a pushing foul. Team penalty.
Franz Pagantulan. Diri asa sa Wata, Davao del Norte.
Personal foul.
35 to 40 minutes ang biyahe di Tago.
41 seconds.
Last 41 seconds.
In the line, shooting through jersey number 28, John Cabajo.
Shout out kay Stacy K. Almadin. 1 point John Coy Cabajo, Julio 14. Shout out man from Mateo 5. Yeah, mamaw ng Sawata. Mateo 5 daw. Ha? Mr. Pretty Titit Senior. Kaya na naman John Marbragaes, John Coy Cabajo. Tiningnan pa yan.
28 seconds.
Roydol Baldomero. Bitaw. Cross pass to Wadyong. Fake. Lumapit. Boys Wadyong.
12 seconds. 8 seconds.
That's 8 seconds.
Cabajo. 5. Floater short.
Baldomero.
1.
End of the second quarter. Score 46-59 in favor of CF1.
46-59.
Okay, halftime po. Nagulong. Tugo. Atugo naman ito.
Congressman DiCarlo Oyuloy, Governor Alan Aldo Duhale, Vice Governor Teti Su,
I-mute sabi.
Team
Nakamute ni wala.
Nicola, and also we'd like Basketball game for the third quarter.
Pakita ng Munmun, mga hambugiro. Shoutout sa kuwang parikit, Jasper Laluces. Nagmamaw po siya sa New Bohol. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game for the third quarter. Official running score, 46-59. Bling Morillo. Sablay, Casanillo with a rebound. Baldomero. Guarded by Morillo.
Shot clock 12 seconds.
12 seconds to shoot.
Far for Gray.
Doido Baldomero. Rebound. Sumayang. Paitan. Fake. 4-3. Wala. Rebound at Chavez. Pass to Morillo. Morillo to Chavez. To Jintoy Mijares. Kicks it out to Morillo. Side step. Wala. Baldomero. Extra pass.
Ball out of bounds.
Out of bounds.
Andun siya kay referee. Paisa. Diretso.
Nakamute go.
Ayat go. Shot clock 18 seconds.
Baldomero inbounding the ball. 18 seconds to shoot. Pass to Arsena.
Shot clock.
To Casanillo. Baldomero. Now, Casanillo lumapit.
Baseline.
Wala. Rebound Jintoy Mijares.
Bintoy Mijares. Bring the ball. Bounce back
Pass to Tansyong Buganciso.
to Boganciso. Post up play.
Buganciso. Kicks it out. Jin Mijares. Side step. 2 points. Jintoy. Casanillo. To Paitan. Pass to Sumayang.
Sumayang.
Step back.
Pull up.
2 points. Sumayang.
Perez. 48-61. Seal the
Bling Morillo. Bling Bling. Chavez for 3. Chavez for 3.
Shooters down. Ray. Bintoy Mijares. Oh, they're not some players. There's a whistle, a double foul between jersey number 13 Arsena and 32 Boganciso. Man. Number 13 Arsena warning for excluded player.
Baldomero guarded by Morillo. Pass to Casanillo.
14. Oh, no.
Sumayang. 2 points. Sumayang.
Sumayang.
Jenmar Bragaes. Pass to Tansyong Buganciso. Kicks it out to Morillo. Bling Bling Morillo for 3. G-Boy Paitan. Guarded by Jimmy Harris. 14 seconds to shoot. Paitan. Gusto sayawan si Mijares. Paitan. Holding foul. Jersey number 1. Bling Bling Morillo. Mariel Anduan Morillo. Happy watching. Sumayang check by Chavez. Nagmamadali sa buhay. Check ninyong vlog sa asawang Bling Bling.
Baldomero. Second person and second the team. Bragasin down to Mijares.
Jintoy, pass to Chavez.
Shot clock 10.
Chavez. Wala. Pass to Jibuyan Paitan. Bullet pass. Casanillo.
Ball out of bounds, single. Shot clock, 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. The remaining time, 6 minutes and 47. 67 to PC of Barn.
Baldomero. Pass to Arsena, back to Baldomero. 12 seconds to shoot.
Baldomero.
Guarded by Murillo.
8 seconds.
Ooh.
Traveling violation.
Double dribble.
Substitution. Easy a ball for Chavez. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 37, 67 PP.
Jintoy Mijares.
On the play. Concerta, super guy.
Cross pass to Jenmar.
14 seconds.
Pass to AJ Agbong. Bounce pass to Tanchong Buganciso. Wala. Buganciso pa rin. G-Boy Paitan. Cross. What a pass! Saklayan! Jenmar Bragaez. Tatlo. AJ Agbong. Dinisrespect si AJ. Kaya pala. Ayaw bantayan sa labas. Steal ng tuluyan. AJ Agbong. Arap pass. AJ Agbong. Pinaglaruan ng depensa ni Jibuyin Paitan. Sumayang. Wala. G-Boy pa. Jenmar Bragaez again.
Timeout by TVB Basketball. Air Bragaez. 71-50. 5 minutes and 26, third quarter.
Shoutout kay Jomari Lois Del Rosario. Siyempre, ngayong gabi si Maria Engineer Del Rosario. Ayang pagtikaw-tikaw.
Basketball game, 5 minutes timeout. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 26 for the third quarter. 71-50. Morado
guarded by Jin Mijares.
Shot clock, 10 seconds.
Morado, 9 seconds to shoot. Haras by Bling Murillo. 5 seconds to shoot. Katarong. 2 seconds. Gandang depensa ng CM Farm dito. Ubusan ng shot clock.
Remaining time, 5 minutes and 3.
Murillo, pass to Jenmar Bragaez. Back to Murillo. Murillo lumapit. May foul.
There's the whistle of foul. Jersey number 19. Illegal contact of hands, Mr. Bazan. Bazan, first personal foul, 30 foul. 2-3-0. Bling Molina.
Sablay ang tira ni Bling Murillo. Pasok na dito si Jillian Delator.
I-turn up ang lights. Pabalik ko. Malangag lang siya. Pabalik ko po sa flash. Cellphone. Pabalik ko pang kan. Okay.
Nasi Auntie naman. Murag nanulog damang si Auntie. J. Mords. Guarded by Murillo. Cross. J. Mords. Pinoy step. Hot shot. 2 points. Ang galaw ni J. Mords.
Foul jersey number 1, Blake Moreno, second personal foul. 30 foul. Bundesliga, Morado. Yes.
1 point Morado. Jillian Delator. Pass to Jenmar Bragaes. Tansyong Bumersiso.
Shot clock 12 seconds.
Jillian Delator.
Kaha, Delator is in. Morillo.
Morillo wala. Katarong with a rebound. Pass to Baser. Block by Tansyong Bungansiso. What a nice effort.
Easy ang ball.
Tandang pasa eh. Giagbong to Jenmar Bragaes. Katarong for 3. Niluwa pa ng rim. Jillian Delator. Murillo. Jillian Delator. Pass to AJ Agbong. Extra pass to Jenmar Bragaes. Bragaes step back. Aninaw. Pass to Alcaraz. Open na. Bang!
Hooray! The sniper Alcaraz. 56-74, 3 minutes and 15.
Delator pass to Tansyong Bungansiso.
Bungansiso kick out.
Jenmar Bragaes.
To Delator.
Jillian Delator.
8 to shoot.
Murillo. Wala.
Baser the rebound.
Pass to Aninaw. Heads out outside. Check. Murillo.
2 against 1.
Ay! Gandang pass.
From Blake Moreno. Emergency pass. 2 minutes and 40.
Baser, di naman nakalito kanina.
20
Pass to Aninaw.
And now,
Alcaraz guarded by Jillian Delator. Bypass Sabit. Pushing foul.
there's a foul, jersey number 29, Delator. Pushing down, substitution. Bulbula for Jenmar Bragaes. Jersey number 16, Alcaraz. Another substitution, Suway Bakyo for Bungansiso. First into 1 point, Alcaraz. Substitution. Blake. Jamie Matella for Blake Moreno.
Yeah, tama na ya. 58-76.
Official running score is 76-58. 18-point ball game.
JB Mandela, pass to AJ Agbong. Guarded by Baser. Gustong araruhin.
Double team. Shot clock off on the end.
What a pass! Tony Suway Baguio. Grabe ang pass ni AJ Agbong.
Ganda ng back. Remaining time, 2 minutes for the third quarter.
J. Mords.
Shot clock 12 seconds. Pulls up play against Delator. Fade away shot. Wala.
Rebound Tony B. Tony SDI. Tony Suway Baguio. Bon Mijos Bula. Pass.
Back to Mantilla.
JB Mantilla.
2-1 game, getting a pick. To Isha Bong. Shot clock, 10 seconds. Good. Isha Bong.
AJ Agbong. 1-on-1. 5 seconds.
Again, Paseo, Isha Bong. The pass, Hill.
Sayang yun. Morado. Fail by JB Mantilla.
The next Sherman.
2 points. JB Mantilla.
80 against 68, 1 minute and 7.
Alcaraz.
14 seconds.
Guarded by Joliant De La
1
Torre.
minute. Stand to shoot.
Wala na pong 1 minuto.
Pigal. Ball out of bounds.
Out of bounds.
Not 4 seconds. 4 seconds to shoot. Remaining time 52 seconds.
4 seconds to shoot.
Inbound. Alcaraz.
Alcaraz.
24 seconds shot clock violation. Remaining time 48 seconds. De La Torre inbound.
That's 48 seconds. JB.
Giving the ball a hook.
Pass to Joliant De La
De La
Torre.
Torre. Getting a pick.
4-3. Joliant De La Torre. Mr. KFD ka rental.
30 seconds.
Abarong. Check by Tony Suay Baguio.
3 against 1. All out.
My foul.
Foul jersey number 15. Chris Catano. Fourth personal foul warning for excluded player. Chris Catano.
1 point. Tony Suay Baguio.
1 point for
Ito signal ng wifi dito.
Both teams warning for team penalty. Remaining time 19 seconds. Please go back to rebound.
Joliant De La Torre.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Shot clock is dead. Ayun na, nagpo-point guard na si AJ Agbong. AJ Agbong, 2 points.
End of the third quarter.
End of the third quarter.
Official running score 80. It is 58. Cedar Park.
Shout out to Attorney Zeb De La Torre. Maayong gabi sa imuha diha. Sana nasa maayos kang kalagayan. At sana kumain ka ng mabuti at tama. Para hindi ka na ma-stress. I love you. Shout out sa asawa ni Joliant De La Torre, Miss Karen Garcia. Nagpahipi lang sa Gedli.
I'll get back to the ball game for the fourth and final quarter. Para sa magtumanda.
Kanya na tamang uli ha. Madungan rata ninyo.
Okay, back to the ball game, fourth and final.
Okay, last quarter na.
QQQ basketball.
Back to the ball game for the last and final quarter. Score 58-86 in favor of CM Park.
To number 24.
Casanillo. Pitao. What a nice move by Pitao. Pasa. Kay Baldomero sa blay yun. Joliant De La Torre. Joliant De La Torre. Pop shot. Joliant. Two throws po. Ibigay mo kay Joliant De La Torre.
Baldomero, third personal foul, first down. Two free throws. Mga kahaha De La Torre.
He has 1 point, Jillian De La Torre, Mr. KFD Car Rental. Sa mga naghahanap po ng sasakyan,
Second field, wala. Si Peter.
Baldomero, guarded by JB.
Shot clock, 14 seconds. Perfect. Ball out of bounds. Same mode. Shot clock, 13 seconds.
Casanillo. Pasto Catarong.
Shot clock, 12 seconds. Chris Catarong against Bulak.
Hindi nang maagaw yon. Bitaw, 10 seconds to shoot.
Oh, good.
May foul.
There's a Bulak now. Jersey number 19, Bulak holding down. Bulak third personal down. First team down, CM Warner. Shot clock, reset 14. Chris Catarong, close up.
Casanillo, 4-3. Bang! Casanillo. Sa mga nakakailala po kay Casanillo, legend po yan dito sa Mindanao ng basketball. Pero hanggang ngayon lumalaro pa rin. Nakabutan nyo lang. Mr. KFD Car Rental, mamaw move. Winning away. Tapik ni JB. Pakasakal muna kay Mandioya. Pass to Joliet De La Torre. Open. Lumapit. In the reverse. Short. Chris Catarong.
Against Bulak, getting the pick. Post up. Shot clock, 10 seconds.
Bitaw.
Pull up, Jay.
Ball up Jay. Kinuha pa ng rim. Si Calabe.
Within 8 minutes and 5, final quarter. Seal of the game.
Pass to Bonios Bulak.
Bulak. Shot clock, 12 seconds.
Lumapit. Kinuha pa ng rim. Tony Suway Baguio. Jillian De La Torre. Extra pass to Bonios Bulak. Wala. Jillian De La Torre. Pasa pa kay Pitaw. Maling tao ang pinasahan. Pitaw, extra pass. 2 points. Baldomero.
63.
Tony Suway Baguio.
24-point ball game.
Jillian De La Torre. Pass to si Calabe.
Shot clock, 12
JB Mantelia. JB. Wala. Offensive rebound. Takes it out. Baldomero. Wala nang bantay yan. Easy basket. Dapat time out po dito. Ang CM Farms. Score 63-87. Malayo pa ang oras. 7 minutes and 2 seconds. 65-87.
7 minutes, final quarter. Both teams nagduwa ka timeout. Basketball game. Remaining going 7 minutes until final quarter. This is the first day of Open Commercial Basketball League 2025.
Kobe Palencia.
Araw ng Stawat.
Behind the back. Kobe.
Palencia crossover. Shot clock, 12 seconds. Getting the back.
Kobe running shot. Kobe offensive rebound. Pass to JB.
Ball out of bounds. Take ball. Shot clock, 7 seconds.
7 seconds remaining
Give him a minute inbound.
for the shot clock. Vincent Minguito.
Ito na yung nagbubulan ng timer. estimate ko na ito kay ano itong kadugo mo lang. Pantay mo. Shot clock, 3 seconds.
Shot clock, 3 seconds.
Oh, map, ito map. Ito map, in charge. Official running score 87-65. 6 minutes and 41. Sa ato sa map na event portion para iwas sa injured. Okay. Pagkakal naman dyan sa pagkakal. Ayun. Ugagit siya, drive it, drive.
Palpak nga map. Ang basa, gitrapuhag basa. Ano? Jacket yan ha? Jacket.
Okay. Shot clock, 3 seconds. 3 seconds to shoot.
Shot clock, 3 seconds. JB Material, long three. Wala. Baldomero. Baba ng bola.
Stop and pop, bars.
Wala. Sabi ka ng rebound. Vincent Mingito, may foul kay Katarong. Congratulations.
Jersey number B.
Nakuha mo na ang panglimang foul. Bye-bye.
Wounded player. Gavel. Automatic control. Another substitution. El Giacchino for JB Valdivia.
Kobe, behind the back. Kobe Valencia.
Getting a pick. Two-man game. Shot clock 14.
Kobe kicks it out.
Mingito.
Mingito wala.
Offensive rebound.
Taas na Doydoy Baldomero.
Baldomero.
Tupitaw.
Down. Oh.
Pitaw, fake. Labas kay Arsena, to Baser.
14 seconds.
Baser driving. 2 points Baser.
Inside, outside, Basil.
El Giacchino.
El Giacchino calling the play. Two-man game, getting a pick. Aquino.
Aquino, bumitaw. Wala.
Over there, good. Over there, back 3 against you.
Baser, pass to Baldomero. Parang nice effort. Naginamitan ang utak ni Kobe Valencia.
Pinakasa sa labas sa kalaban. CM Bar has the ball. 5 minutes and 17. Final quarter.
Aquino.
Calling the play. Hope. Shot clock 10 seconds.
Pass to Vincent Mingito.
Mengito.
4-3. Wala.
Offensive rebound. Wala ba?
Walang itinawag. Baldomero, bounce pass to Baser.
2 against 1. Baser!
2 points, Baser.
Wala 2 points. Wala tawag. 4 minutes to 50. Si Calabe.
Si Calabe, nabitawan pa yan.
Baldomero!
Rebound, Kobe Valencia.
69.
Vincent Mingito.
Suway Baguio.
Tonton Suway Baguio.
Slowing the tempo. Melting the clock. Kobe Valencia. Shot clock.
Kobe Valencia.
10 to shoot. Getting a pick. Shot clock.
Pass to Vincent Mingito.
Mengito for Jay.
Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound.
Si Calabe.
Si Calabe.
Baseline, wala. Oh.
May foul.
Foul. Jersey number 77, Kobe Valencia. Substitution.
Casanillo. Pasto Arsena. Arsena. Mazer, rebound. Maagaw yan. Pitao for 3. Wala. Rebound, Vincent Minguito. Gigil na dito. Et Chavez, 2 points. Saan yung tubig?
3 minutes and 30.
Baldomero.
Ball out of bounds. Single. Shot clock 14. 3 minutes and 25.
Mazer. Wala. Rebound, AJ Agbo. Pasto Kobe Palencia.
Big pressure by Baldomero.
Kobe.
Porter UST. And from Lincoln.
10 seconds to shoot. Chavez. Hasta Vincent Minguito.
Minguito.
Wala pa rin. Et Chavez.
Baldomero. 2 minutes and 53.
Baldomero. Wala. Jenmar Bragaez. Gusto nang ubusin ang oras. Wala na po 3 minuto. Last 2 minutes and 44 seconds.
2 minutes and 40.
AJ Agbo.
Adrian Bong.
Siya lang nag-point guard.
Bulldozer. To Jenmar Bragaez. Shot
Jenmar Bragaez. Kobe Palencia.
Shot corner. Floater.
Kobe Palencia.
2 minutes and 24. 90-69 and 91. Bazer.
Mazer.
Shot clock 12 seconds. Bazer against the
Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Bazer.
Gets it out to Arsena. Pass to Pitao. Long 3. Bang!
Right. Vidal. Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes.
Original minus score 91-72. Kobe Palencia. Shot clock 14 seconds. Getting a big. Time to shoot. Goes over.
Sinayawan pa ni Kobe Palencia.
Palencia. Time out.
Bumalik ba?
Basketball game, David Brown.
Nagsakinan ka? Sakay rin mo. Inaya na nag-ipos-ipos doon? Inaya na nag-ipos. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. Shoutout sa inyo. Salamat kayo sa pag-uban sa tuang live diri
Scheduled for tomorrow. First game, 4:30 p.m.
Wajong, Pasto Casanillo. 3 points, Casanillo.
Casanillo. And our second game, another exciting match. ITTT Basketball versus JV Project. Second game. Kobe.
In the leg. Foul.
There's a look at the foul. Jersey number 24. Casanillo second. 30 down. Shot clock reset 14.
Jenmar Bragaez.
Shot clock 8
Behind the back.
Bragaez. Getting the pick. Pull up.
4-3. Wala.
Offensive rebound, Minguito.
Minggito. Wala pa rin. Napakaalat. Gent Minggito dito.
Warriors ready. Overshoot. Second play.
Check by Bitaw. 4-3. Bang!
Hooray! Number 31 Pidal. 42 seconds. Easy at ball. Oh, big man with the handle. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Last 30 seconds.
30 seconds. 8 to shoot. Bragas, 2-1 game. Shot clock 5. Step back, break. Bye-bye.
Yan, Nardragayas 4-3.
Mark Bragas. Hooray!
Wajong. That clock is dead.
Sumaya for Jay Galak. Ball
Out of bounds.
7 seconds.
Last 7 seconds.
Parker Gray. In and out.
Congratulations! Final score 60-96. Winner, CM Farm.
That's all for tonight. See you tomorrow for our second day.
Yun! Congratulations, CM Farm. Final score 60-96. Nakamute ko wala. So, mga pasalamatan, syempre, ang owner sa CM Farm, Madam Virgie Aliones and Boss Mario Bandilan. Sa tanang nagsuporta sa Team CM Farm Basketball, dagan kayo salamat sa inyo kinasing-kasing na pagpasalamat. Hantod sa sunod live na pod. Syempre, shoutout sa mga live viewers nato diha, sa mga solid na mga fans nato diha sa CM Farm. Syempre, ayaw mo kalimot, follow sa CM Farm, Court Vision, ug syempre, Moonman Official. Gusto lang po na ako i-shoutout ang kuwang palangga diha. Ako ang future attorney, Attorney Zeb De La Torre. I love you. Good night.